Hi all, I'm Chase. This is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special, affectionately known as Wichita. And man, that pipe, that stealth pipe on there, it just looks like, damn, it looks hot. Damn, it looks good. Problem is, it's super duper loud. Hopefully I should have the parts in that I need for the moto muffler, because man, this one is, it's painful on full throttle. So we're going to put some gas in it. I didn't go very far. I think I got like 50 some miles. Yeah, I just needed to run an errand, and I thought I'd run it with this, so we're going to see what fuel economy I'm getting. Alright, now I did get on this quite a few times, like hardcore on it, like triple digits hardcore. So it says 1.1, so let's see. Alright, 52.6 divided by 1.1, 47.81 miles to the gallon, and I got on it. I hit triple digits like 3 times. I know. So actually, that's really good. I'm quite impressed. So we'll see. I'm gonna do a trip. It might not be with this pipe. In fact, I'm not planning on using this pipe. I want to use a different the moto pipe, because this thing is when you get on it, it's painful. It hurts. Like, blow your eardrums out hurts. Yeah. It makes me giggle, but I mean, for every day, unless you're going to put a decibel killer in it, I love the way it looks. This thing, it looks good. In fact, I'm going to find a decibel killer that I can throw into it, but for the time being, I'm going to have to put the moto muffler on. So, all right, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding link to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with, and yeah, bye y'all.